British Secondary Evening School number 18. It is mostly meant for students who join studies and work or getting a profession. I am the school president and represent our school students. There are more than 1,000 students from grade 6 to grade 12. Also, there are both Latvian and Russian stream students who study in 2 shifts, in the morning and in the evening. There is no such thing in our school as discrimination, and the teachers, staff and the students work together in a friendly way. So the principle, one for all and all for one, is put into practice in our school. We are patriots of our school as well as of our country, and we're interested in doing something useful for the sake of our people and the country in general. This year, on the 18th of November, we celebrated the 90th anniversary of Latvia's independence. The symbols of Latvia are the red, white, red flag, the coat of arms, and hymn. One more symbol of Latvia is the national belt that is mentioned in some historical documents. As a symbol of our goodwill, we would like to give it to the European Parliament.
Notre prochain représentant vient de la Lituanie, il s'appelle Edvinas.